The business and problem solver. So here, let's understand why this matters and how it provides value by RAG Q&A bot. LLMs are great, but they hallucinate and don't know your specific business data. I solved this by building a retrieval augmented generation system. Imagine a company with 100 pages of documents. Instead of customers searching through PDFs, my bot crawls that live website and indexes every fact instantly. This reduces customer sub, uh, customer support tickets by providing instant grounded answers. In this demo, I pointed the bot at Mistral documentation. In less than 60 seconds, it scrolled the site, indexed it, and was ready to act as a specialized support agent. No more hallucination, just facts backed by sources. So here is the question which I am giving. So this is the response. So it's not just a chatbot, it's a scalable knowledge engine ready for any enterprise datasets.